Fortnite microphone not working? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, check your mic is properly connected. If it's wired, make sure it's plugged in fully. If it's wireless, ensure it's paired and charged. Next, go into Fortnite settings, open the audio tab, and make sure voice chat is enabled. Also set the correct input device. Your mic should be selected there. Now, check your console or PC settings too. On PC, right-click the sound icon, open sound settings, and make sure your mic is set as default. On console, check the audio settings for the controller or headset. Sometimes background apps can block your mic. Close unnecessary programs or restart your device, then test your mic again. Finally, in Fortnite, try toggling push to talk or switching voice chat from party to game or vice versa. It fixes most connection glitches. And that's it. Your mic should be working perfectly now. And you're ready to talk strategy while gaming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.